Hi friends, welcome back to Julie's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style chana masala curry. You can serve it along with parota, roti, chapati or rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of chickpeas. We have washed and soaked chickpeas for 8 hours. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high flame and then 4 whistles on medium flame. After 5 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Chickpeas have cooked well. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Now keep it medium flame when the oil is hot. Then add 5 chopped garlics. Saute it until it turns light golden color. Now add 2 chopped onions, half teaspoon salt, mix it well. Saute the onion until it turns to light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Add 3 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for a minute. Now add previously cooked chickpeas to it. Add 1 chopped tomato, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. After 4 minutes, switch off the flame. And add half cup of coconut milk to it. Mix it well. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Then add 3 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well for 10 seconds on low flame. Now add 5 sliced shallots. Mix it well and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes until it turns to light golden color. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring. After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Kerala style chana masala curry is ready. We just need only 30 minutes to make this delicious recipe. You can serve it along with puttu, roti, chapati or rice for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.